Lesson 1, at restaurant. This looks like a nice restaurant.
Yeah, it is. I come here all the time.
Let's sit over there.
Okay.
Can you pass me a menu, please?
Sure. What are you going to have to drink?
I'm going to have a glass of beer. How about you?
I think I'll have a glass of wine.
Do you want to order an appetizer first?
Not really. Maybe we can just order some bread.
Okay. What are you going to have to eat?
I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Can you recommend something?
Sure. I've had the steak and the lobster before. They're both very good.
I think I'll have the lobster. What are you going to have?
I'm not that hungry. I think I'm just going to have a salad.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. When the waitress comes back, will you order for me?
Sure, no problem. Lesson 2. Visiting family. Scott, your husband has a really nice car.
Thanks, it's a lot better than mine, and it's new.
Where are you going?
We're going to visit my sister in the city.
I didn't know your sister lives in the city. Where did she move there?
About a year ago. She lives in an apartment on 3rd Street, across from the public library.
I see. It's almost 5 p.m. now. Don't you think there will be a lot of traffic?
Oh, we're not driving. We're going to take the subway. The subway only takes about 20 minutes.
Yes, but it can be very crowded around this time. I always feel uncomfortable taking the subway.
I take the subway to work every day, so I'm used to it now.
Doesn't your mother live in the city?
Yes, she's lived there for about 10 years.
I remember when she moved there. Apartments were a lot cheaper than.
I know what you mean. It's hard to find anything that's reasonable now.
Have a good time. Next time you're free, give me a call and we'll go play poker.
See you later.